Coca-Cola. Shaking up Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola.
Ready to open it?
Yeah. Let's get ready to run to the sink. Okay, wait. Let's turn it this way so they can see the sink. Okay, ready? Ready? Go. Wait. Ready? Go. Oh God!
Oh! What? Really?
He's in the crap.
Doesn't do anything.
Makes it really flat though.
Yeah.
Okay. So, what's going on in this amazing, fabulous world that we have of Coke? We're really bored, so we're just gonna make a video. And,
Num num num. Num num num.
We were watching some videos on YouTube. It was really funny because this chick, she makes up songs, and she ain't the best singer in the world.
Let's say who it is.
No,
Aww.
no,
I like saying names.
I don't care. Say Rainbow Fluffer Butt.
Rainbow fluffer butt. Rainbow fluffer butt. Rainbow
That's
fluffer
enough.
butt. Rainbow fluffer butt. Rainbow
Okay, let's get her away.
I'm a sweet little angel. I'm a sweet little angel. I'm a princess.
She wishes she was a princess.
No, I'm a princess.
She was eating green beans. That's disgusting.
Yummy, 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 yummy.
Put them down.
Aw.
It's green bean juice. It's gross.
It's so good.
Ew. Green bean juice?
Yeah.
Ew.
Look at my nails.
I need to redo my nails. Get your... You... No, no, no. No, no.
No, no. Okay.
I love you. Okay. But yeah, we were watching these videos of this girl, and like I said, wasn't the best singer. So, yeah. Oh, no, I'm doing. Do, 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 da, do, da, do, 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 da, do, da.
We have problems. I can't wait for the blonde highlights.
Yeah, she's getting blonde highlights, and then after that, we're going to my dance recital, and then after that, we're going to get feathers.
Yay!
Feathers! Getting like 5 feathers.
Maybe 10.
We may be getting 10 feathers.
What was that?
I don't know. But yeah, if our moms each give us $5, and then we have our own money, and then she's supposed to be getting, what are you doing? She's supposed to be getting $20 from her dance recital, and then that'll leave us with $50, and then we can get each 10 feathers. Are you sure it's 10? No, we each get 5. Right? I'm confusing myself.
You
so
said 10 yesterday.
No, it wasn't yesterday. It was this morning.
So?
At like 3:30. We stayed up. Let's go back down. We stayed up all night until like 6 o'clock in the morning, and then we fell asleep and didn't wake up till 11:52. 52. Green and blue, 52. Right.
Sugar time.
Okay. I eat sugar.
Let's go crazy. Eat chocolate. I like chocolate.
You have any?
I don't know. I like chocolate.
I like chocolate. No, wait. We gotta dance. Over here. Da, da, da.
Your arms are short.
Shut up. Ooh, my Heather. I'm holding you hostage.
Margaret, are you actually sleeping, dog?
We're gonna go crazy and eat chocolate, so bye. Say bye, Heather. Say bye.
Hi.
Say bye.
Hi.
Bye.
Bye. Can't